Alright, ladies and gentlemen, thank you for tuning in again. This is your local locksmith, Urban Lock and Key, coming at you with another programming video. Today we are working on a 2018 Nissan Rogue. Customer has a 5-button remote. We're going to be adding an additional 5-button remote to the sequence of keys being programmed. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Alright, first thing we need to do is go ahead and get the power on this gauge cluster so it can be cycling for communication purposes. We're using an AutoPad Pro Lite. Okay, so we're going to go to US Nissan, agree. Going to go to program keys. This is a smart key system, so we're going to select by type. It's a 20 pin code process, type 2. Make sure you pay very close attention to this detail, because if you don't, you will have a problem. The ECU on certain years will not communicate if you don't pay attention to the last 5 characters of the BCM part number. Okay? Very, very, very critical detail. Next, you're going to hit OK. Program smart keys. So what you're going to do is switch the ignition off. As you can see, the gauge cluster is off. Turn the hazard lights on as per instructed, and press OK. It's going to go through a programming sequence and let you know what's the next step. It says open and close door. Press OK to continue. It says all smart keys will be erased. Press yes to continue. It's going to give you instruction on what to do, and just make sure you follow it closely. So you're going to take the smart key where the Nissan logo is, with touching and pushing the button with the Nissan logo and holding it there. The security light will blink 5 times, as you just saw, to signify that the remote has been accepted. You're going to hit OK. You're going to wait 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Press OK again. Configuring system. Would you like to program any additional keys? Yes to continue. We have 1 more to program. So we're going to turn this off with the next smart key, which is the new one. Using the same process, the Nissan logo, pressing on the start-stop switch, it will beep twice, and the Nissan immobilizer light will blink 5 times, as you just witnessed. Press OK again. Wait 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Press OK. Configuring system. Now you're going to hit no. We've already programmed all the smart keys. So the next thing we want to do is switch the vehicle off. Take the original, sorry about that. We're going to take the original smart key, the first key we programmed, and use that to finish the sequence of system. It chimed several times. Now, it says here the vehicle will chime several times and the ignition should switch on. Switch the ignition off and the instrument cluster should display key registration complete. Programming is complete. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and press the start-stop button so it can go off. Steering lock registration complete. That lets you know everything is done. Now, first and foremost, check the remotes before you get out of the vehicle. This is the first one. As you can see, that remote works. We'll go ahead and get the key out. There's no keys in the vehicle. Mobilizer light is blinking. I'm pushing the start-stop button. It says key ID incorrect, meaning no key detected. So the keys are sitting on top of the roof. This is the second key. We're going to go ahead and push the button. Gauge cluster comes on. Got foot on the brake. Push the start button. Keys work fine. Stay tuned for new videos. Thank you for tuning in. You have a great day.